How to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status. Now, the very first thing we're going to do to share our Instagram Reels or the Reels that we have watched on WhatsApp status is to tap on this Reel section right here and watch a few Reels. Let's say I like this Reel and I want to share this Reel specifically to my WhatsApp status. All I have to do is to tap on this airplane button right here. And as you can see, it will give me various options, whether I want to DM this to somebody on Instagram or share this to other social media websites. Now, in order for me to share this Instagram reel to my WhatsApp status, all I have to do is to tap on this share button right here, and it will give me various options to choose from. I can share this to my Instagram direct messages, to Chrome, or other social media platforms that I'm in. Now, if I want to share this to my WhatsApp status, all I have to do is to tap on WhatsApp, and it will automatically redirect me into sharing this specific reel to my WhatsApp status. So that's how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status. Hope we help.